Hello everyone. Now this discussion is for class 4 students and the subject is computer and the topic is taken from chapter 3. So if you open chapter 3 from your book, you can see what is computer. So what is computer? A computer is an electronic device or programmable device that is used for processing of information and is capable of calculating and storing information or results. So computer is an electronic device which is mainly used for the processing and storing of information, and it is also capable of calculating. We will learn about the history of computer and the generations of computer later, but first we will discuss about some basics of computer. At first we will know some basics of computer, only then we will go to the history and then to the generations of computer. So to know about the basics of computer, you open chapter number 3 from your computer book and read this portion with me. The computer is of no use unless it is able to communicate with the outside world. Input and output devices are required by the users to communicate with the computer. In simple terms, input devices take in information in the computer and output devices take out information from the computer system. These input and output devices are also known as peripherals since they surround the CPU and memory of a computer system. Some commonly used input and output devices are listed in the table below. You can see here a table, and two sections of the table is there. In one section there is written the output devices of a computer, and in the section that is in the right there are some in the left section there are some input devices, and in the right section there are some output devices. So what are the input devices of a computer that take in the information? The input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, light pen, touchscreen, etc. And the output devices are that take out the information, that gives us or shows us the information. They are monitor, LCD or LED, printer, plotter, speakers, etc. An input device is any hardware device that sends data to the computer. Without any input device, a computer would only be a display device and not allow users to interact with it. So we have learned today that computer is an electronic machine which takes in information from us and gives us the output, gives us the result. So computer is capable of taking the information, processing it, and then giving us the output. It is also capable of calculating. Computer have input devices and output devices. The input devices are listed here. Output devices you can also see on your page. Now for a quick review, I'll show you a short video. Watch this.
A computer system has three main parts: the input unit, the processing unit, the output unit. The input unit. The input unit consists of input devices such as the keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, web camera. The input devices give data and instructions to the computer system. Now the question is, what is the data and information? In computer studies, data means words, numbers, sounds or picture, which are entered as input in the computer. Information means the output that is displayed after the data has been processed. The processing unit. The computer system carries out all its work in the central processing unit, that is called CPU. The output unit. The output unit consists of output devices like the monitor, printer, and speaker. The output devices shows the result of processing, which is known as information. All the parts of the computer which are attached to CPU by wires are known as peripherals. Working of the computer. The computer works on the basis of input, process, and output cycle, or in short, the IPO cycle. Following are simple examples. Input. Data 4261. Instruction, add the numbers. Process 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1. The numbers are being added. Output 13. One more example. Input. Data Kavita, Pinky, Benu, Anita, Sonia, Tanvi. Instruction, arrange the names in alphabetical order. Process, the names are getting arranged in alphabetical order. Output, Anita, Benu, Kavita, Pinky, Sonia and Tanvi.